Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get all of the fences and grow a garden. So I'm just going to go here and edit skins, and as you can see, there's a lot of fences. I have only 6 fences, but as you can see, there's the rest here. So basically, for the ascended Greek, and then okay, hold on, let me actually see. I forgot what there is in the Ascension shop. So what are you selling? So for these fences, okay, so for Laser Greek Ascended, it's in the Ascension shop. And then for the bean fence, obviously from the event 2 events ago. Then for the fairy fence, 1 event ago, like the event before this one. And then for the fall fence, you get it by also achieving these mini achievements for the fall event. You get the fall fence here. You also got some other items here: fall eggs, fall seeds, and fall market cart. And then for the rest, like gold and silver jail metal, I think you get from leveling up. I think for the eternal fence, people got it by the last ascension before they updated it to make it easier. I think that's where they got it. I'm not sure where else you would get the eternal fence other than you did the ascension before, and you got it just like for free, and like they gave it to you. I think they also gave like a limited seed. I don't remember what seed it was, but yeah, that's how you can get all of the fences in Great Garden. Picket fence is by leveling up. Wooden was just the default. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.